Welcome to this fourth C++ tutorial. Today we'll be talking about declaration and initialization. So you already know what's a variable and what this means, but we'll break it down a little and see what we can do with variables and what we can assign to variables. So you see that a variable declaration is in multiple parts, but that's not only a declaration, there's also an initialization in there. So the declaration part of a variable would be this. You declare a variable, but you don't give it any value now. So you see first we have the type, and after we have the name of the variable. So if you want to assign it a value, you'll write the name of the variable, you'll write an equal operator and write a value. So since it's an integer, I'll write 2. You'll see now that parts is equal to 2, and when I see out it, we'll see right there it outputs 2 like it is supposed to. But there are lots of different things you can assign to parts. So you can initialize it with other operators like this. If we assign 2 plus 1 to parts, it will output 3 to the screen. Same thing with the other operators like division, multiplication, and subtraction. We'll go in depth with operators in another video. Now you just need to know that it works when you initialize a value with operators. But you can do more than assign operations to a variable. You can make another variable. So this temp variable, which will be 4, and I will assign to parts the variable temp. So when I do that, we'll go look at the variable temp and take the value of the temp variable and give it to parts. So the cout there will be 4, and you can do that with a lot more variables. So you can go on and write temp2 and temp2 equal 4, temp equal temp2, and parts equal temp, and this will also work if we test it right now. Here you have it, parts is equal to 4. So it's a really short video. That's it for declaration and initialization of variables. It's pretty simple. You can test on your own right now. There's a lot of things you can do. You can go with another type of variable, for example, Boolean, or even strings and char. So test on your own. That's it for declaration and initialization. Thank you for watching the video.